beautiful. So for this stretch, you're going to need a little bit of an assist. And with this, I'm using this foam roller. If you have a basketball, you can use a basketball. I once did a video with this, and I had, this is really cute, this little pink and white suitcase. It's like this little mini travel thing, probably about this big, and I use that as well. You could even use a paper towel possibly, like a paper towel roll. You could use a rolling pin, anything of that sort. And so you're gonna come like so. Again, I have my thermals underneath. Okay. And you're gonna go into the split position. So in the split position, you're just going to roll forward. As you roll forward, inhale, go further, release, further, release. Your body is so beautiful. You have so much lingerie within your body. So gorgeous. You're so special on all levels. So much one of a kind. You're so faithful. The softest lace in your body. It's gorgeous lace in your body. The most beautiful laces in your body in all forms. And this is why you want to do something that has a rolling, because I should say this at the beginning, but don't like go into this exercise, otherwise you'll die. Like, take your time, breathe as you do it, and we're going to go out to the side. Just nice and gentle. Your body's made of the softest lace. Your body's made of the most beautiful lace. Your body's made of the gorgeous, most goddess-like lace in the world. Your body is a lingerie dress, unlike any other lingerie in the world. And every workout that we do, we're going into your body with so much love. Every stretch that we do, we're going to your body with so much just light. And we're just taking our lingerie, and we're in all levels. At the most exotic level, because you are the pearls and diamonds that hug your body. Why not have your pearls and your diamonds hug your body in goddess form? Make sure you're breathing. Make sure you're breathing through the air that you're feeling that stretch. If it gets too intense, feel free to roll out. Your body's your lingerie is full of the softest, most luxurious, most sensuous and delicate lace in the world. Roll on out.